How to submit documents electronically using the eSubmissions portal, presented by the Office of Administrative Law. The Office of Administrative Law reviews proposed regulations from more than 200 executive branch state agencies in California to ensure compliance with the Administrative Procedure Act. Our office is also responsible for transmitting these regulations to the Secretary of State and for publishing these regulations in the California Code of Regulations. The California Code of Regulations can be viewed for free on our website at www.oal.ca.gov. Please note, this informational video pertains to submission of notices and actions to OAL using the OAL eSubmissions portal and is intended for use only by executive branch state agencies. eSubmissions portal. Our eSubmissions portal is accessed at https://sharepoint.com/sites/OAL-eSubmissions. Use of this portal replaces the process of submitting notices and actions via email. Requesting access to the eSubmissions portal. To submit documents electronically to our office, an agency must request access to the eSubmissions portal. A request for access must be submitted via email to electronicsubmissions@oal.ca.gov. The request must include the name and email address of any agency staff who may submit documents electronically on behalf of the agency. Within 3 working days of receipt of the request, we will either approve or deny the request for access. We will approve the request for access if the request is sent to electronic submissions at oal.ca.gov and contains the information specified in subsection B of Section 4 of Title I of the California Code of Regulations. Once we have approved your request for access, all of the email addresses identified in the request will be sent an email notifying them that they have been given permission to access the agency's designated document library of the eSubmissions portal. Once granted access to the eSubmissions portal, agency staff will retain access until we receive a request from the agency to remove that agency staff's access, or that the agency staff member is no longer employed by that agency. We will reject the request for access if any of the information specified in subsection B of Section 4 of Title I of the California Code of Regulations is missing, or if the request is sent to the wrong email address. If a request for access is denied, all of the email addresses identified in the request will be sent an email indicating the request has been denied and providing the reason for the denial. Agencies may submit additional requests to add or remove agency staff via email at electronicsubmissions@oal.ca.gov. Multi-factor authentication. Before you start using the eSubmissions portal, you must have a Microsoft account with multi-factor authentication enabled. If you have questions about multi-factor authentication, please contact your agency's IT department. If you have specific questions about how to submit documents electronically using the eSubmissions portal, please contact our reference attorney at staff@oal.ca.gov.